Hi folks, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to do Workbench Wednesday. Arco Outlaw Edge started it a couple of 3 weeks ago, and then the others seem to follow suit. They've sort of done it where they just have boxes of stuff and then they sort of get them out and show what we're doing. I'll probably do that next week, but today I'm actually just going to show you my workbench just because it's Workbench Wednesday. So here we go. There's my workbench. When I designed this, I mean, I've got some shit on in a minute. Fucking screws from doing my son's sub, and it doesn't matter. Yeah, when I first designed this, you know, I was in that little unit, and I didn't have a lot of space, so I designed it so I could cram as much onto this as I possibly could. So, I mean, I haven't got it here at the minute; it's in the back of the van, but my plasma cutter normally sits there. Obviously, my MIG welder, and I planned so then I could get a TIG welder and it'd sit there. You know, plenty of space. Also, I didn't want millions of cables lying around. So what I did is I put a multi-gang socket up there, running off one thick cable. I mean, you're not going to use everything all the time anyway, you know. But you know, I just didn't want millions of cables. So then, really long cable there. You know, it's made out of 25mm box or inch box, whatever you want to call it. Then I've got a kitchen drawer in the front, which is where I just store all sorts of shit. Spare earth clamp, grinder, spray, just me used wheels. They're all just for hand really. They're for me other grinder, or linishing pad. One thing that I did do as well is I only wanted one earth strap. I didn't want because I'm going to have 3 machines, I didn't want 3 earth straps. So what I did is I welded some nuts on. If you see here, look, just welded a nut on with a bolt. So then each machine earths straight to the frame. And then, as I say, the plasma cutter's in the back of the car, so I've had to take the earth off. And then the earth strap just bolts in there, and then I normally wrap it around there. So my table is actually always earthed. The top is 5mm thick. Yeah, it's done me a solid. Oh yeah, the gas bottle. I made this clamp. This is actually just an old seat belt out of a car, and I've got this ratchet sort of style mechanism here that just latches over and keeps everything tight. Needs cleaning up and sorting out, but yeah, that's pretty much it. I do have some spaces at the back of this drawer. I'm going to make a little shelf here for all my grinders and stuff that I can get to either side. Yeah, some big old rubber wheels. You know, these take 200 kilos each. Well, that's it. Quick tour on my workbench for Workbench Wednesdays. Please check out the rest of the crew. Give them a like, sub, drop them a comment, say that you've come from me. All the links for their channels will be in the descriptions. Please head over to my Teespring store. I've just got the new unit sorted out, and there's another one coming up, a big one, so I'm just trying to get all the money in that we can. So yeah, check out my merch store, Teespring. We've got t-shirts, mugs, bags, all sorts of different colours. Yeah, please check me out on the socials, Facebook, Instagram. Drop me a sub, like, comment, even just to say hello. I'll catch you next time. Bye.